Alright, what is going on, guys? This is the moment that you've all been waiting for. This is our house products giveaway. So first off, I want to thank everyone that commented on the products giveaway video. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank you all for your support on the channel. And now it's time to give away some cool stuff. And without any further ado, let's get it going. All right, congratulations, Danny. You're our products winner. Looks like I'm gonna be sending you all this great stuff. Thanks again for entering, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so we're gonna be starting off with some King of the Street prep today. Just a couple things that I gotta button up on the truck before our event in November. So first thing I gotta do is I gotta take the bed off. I gotta check a couple things with my suspension, check my airbag lines, and I got a cool new little Fleece sending unit lift pump that is gonna be getting thrown in here, so we'll try that out. And then I'm gonna have to throw my front locker in soon too. So it should be pretty simple, just a couple little things. You know, I have my list of things I need to get done on here, and hopefully we can button this truck up before the event. All right, so I used my little contraption with the loader. I took it off the, I took the bed off the truck. All right, and time to get going on the impulse decision to take this thing off and start checking everything over. All right, so the bed is off. Power washed everything. Frame's really not that bad. Checked my airbag leaks. Seems like it was ready right over here. So I tightened that up. I put it to 60 pounds. We'll see if it leaks in the morning. Yeah, that's a little rough. But New England weather, you get that on them big jobs. I got my suspension stops out. I'm gonna sandblast those, clean them up, make it a little bit more accessible to take them in and out so that they don't get seized up like how they did. So now after all that, what we have left is the sending unit. Got a nice big upgrade for the sending unit coming in that I'm about to show you guys in a minute. And then that should be it. Slap the bed back on and see how she rides. Then I also have been polishing the forces too. Gave them a nice acid bath which is not good for aluminum, but definitely cleans it up real nice. And then I'll just sand it, polish it back up, and it'll look good as new. So I did that to all four. This thing's gonna get a nice deep cleaning before King of the Street. Should be before the dyno event too. Yeah, it's pretty much crunch time. So got my list of things to do and just banging them out. And here she is. She actually looks pretty impressive over here. I just unboxed it. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. Looks like a legit, pretty good setup over here. Let's see. Oh, nice. That's sick. Came with a koozie and some stickers. That's always good. Here's the wiring for it. Came with some zip ties. Oh, not bad. Look like we're in some good shape now. There's a float for it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so I got the new O-ring on. I cleaned out the best I could. Tried to not get any shit in the tank. I have all the lines off. I have the old sending unit right there. Now it's time for the new one to go in. Now here's just side by side. On the left you have the factory sending unit, and on the right's the Fleece Powerflo. So you can see there's a little bit of a size difference. The float over here, it comes up pretty good. This one, it looks just like factory. So here's just a side-by-side between the factory sending unit and the new Fleece Powerflo that's about to go in it. There's a little bit of a size difference, so now without further ado, let's throw this bad chicken in here. All right, so I got top of the frame sprayed with our wax oil undercoat. I got my airbags, I ran them quite nice. Got my kill switch ran through here. So just a little refreshing. I'll probably pull a bed off again in the winter, maybe clean up some cross members, and then I'm gonna go underneath and spray this thing again. This is just for now. Put the bed on. Got the new fleece pump in there. Now it's time to throw the bed back on. Quick little test fit for KOS. We got it all hooked up on the Mac right now. So we'll be all dialed in. And without any further ado, let's get started. Oh. That up. And now, without any further ado, let's get it going. What the